Have you just bought a brand new set of tyres and wondering how you can make them last longer? Well, we've got some top tips for you. Tip number 1, check your tyre pressure regularly. Now this is the most common reason why tyres don't last as long as they could. They can be either overinflated, which means the centre of the tread has more pressure to the ground and wears a lot quicker, or the most common one, underinflated, where more of the tyre is in contact with the ground and the edges will wear a lot quicker. We recommend you do this every month, and don't forget, in things like colder weather, the pressures naturally get lower, so make sure to top them up, and even if you have a heavier load in the car like a full family or a boot full of stuff. Number 2, get regular wheel alignment checks. If your wheels are misaligned, it means that your tyres can wear unevenly and prematurely. One of the most common things we see here at Eden Branches is tyres that still have plenty of tread left, but it's worn quite a lot on the edges. Wheel alignment checks are free, and if you do need something doing, it is a lot cheaper than replacement tyres. We recommend you get this done every 3 to 6 months, or if you hit one of those nasty potholes or curbs. Tip number 3, make sure to drive a little bit smoother. Harsh acceleration, erratic braking and cornering means you put a lot more strain on your tyres, and therefore they wear a lot quicker. So save that sort of driving for the track. And number 4, make sure you have the right tyre for your vehicle. Now this is easy to find, it's just in your vehicle handbook. And why is it important? That's because if you have a big heavy car like an SUV, you'll need a higher load rating, so make sure to double check.